Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And also, if you are interested in money bowls, so meron din tayo niyan sa ating shop. Okay? So, Gemini, let's see. Ano ang update sa inyo ngayong December 16 to 31? For Gemini. Okay. Wow. Gemini, kayo ay maraming pupuntahan ngayong second half ng December. With the Chariot, it seems na ito yung parang aligaga ka. Hindi mo alam saan ba. Kaliwat kanan yung mga gatherings, parties, or yung mga destination na pupuntahan mo second half ng December. But I think, marami ka mang offers, marami man sa yung invitation. Alam mo kung saan ka talaga pupunta. Alam mo rin kung alin yung hindi mo pupuntahan. Oo, i-reject mo. You have the Seven of Swords. Medyo mag-ingat kapag, yung invitation na yan masyado kang pinipilit, pero ayaw mo naman. So, panindigan mo kung ayaw mo, no? Kasi maaring it's like parang gina-guide ka na you shouldn't go there because it might give you unwanted outcome. Hindi mo magugustuhan yung magiging resulta nun pag pumunta ka dun sa lugar na yun. Pwede kasi yung lugar na yun maraming mga intrimitida o kaya maraming gossips. And also, pay attention kung may mga sasakyan kayo. Just make sure na secure yung sasakyan nyo, na ilalak nyo ng maayos. Hindi basta-basta lang nakapark kung saan-saan. Kasi pwedeng merong may makialam dyan. Okay? So, yeah. And then, your challenge is the Nine of Wands. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong situation na difficult situation, pero malapit na yan matapos, okay? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Tinetest lang naman kung hanggang saan nyo kaya. Okay? Tingnan ba natin? What is the Nine of Wands? Yes, you are about to free yourself from a very challenging situation. Kumbaga parang it's time for you to celebrate din na at last tapos na yung sacrifices, yung paghihirap, yung effort na binigay mo. Okay? Kailangan lang, malakas pa rin yung loob mo. Hindi ka susuko kasi eventually, you will free yourself from that situation. Meron kang bagong susubukan, i-explore. Yung parang nakawala, no? Yun yung nakukuha kong energy. Makakawala ka from limitations, and yung freedom na makukuha mo will take you to places. Marami kang pwedeng maabot, mapuntahan, ma-achieve because nagtiyaga ka doon sa situation na yon. Hinintay mo yung timing. Okay? And then your opportunity is the Emperor. So yan, meron kang opportunity to be your own boss, maging leader ng sarili mong business, trabaho, leader ng trabaho mo. Merong opportunity for you na ma-promote, merong leadership role. What is the my Queen of Swords. So the Emperor and Queen of Swords, I think when it comes to managing your life, ngayong December, you are in control. Okay? You are in control. Lalo na at ikaw ay makakawala na dyan sa limitations na yan. Okay? And then with the Page of Swords as your blessing, new learnings, new ideas, creative ideas, yes, make sense with the Queen of Cups because the Cup's energy is about your imagination, your instinct, your feelings. So, yung instinct mo, yung intuition mo, yan yung magli-lead sa'yo towards success. And, ayan yung magbibigay sa'yo ng knowledge, no? Kung paano mo mas pagyayamanin, kung ano yung meron ka na. Okay? So, meron ding good news, blessing, baby blessing sa inyo. Maaring yung iba, if you really want to have kids, or mabuntis, makabuntis, magkaanak, yes, meron ditong message, no? May blessing. Pwedeng family member, a new family member of the family, bagong baby. Ayan. And then, you have Saturn in Capricorn in the 10th house. Lahat ng mga efforts mo, no, sa career mo, ito ay magbubunga. Okay? So, kumbaga, kung meron kang goal, ngayon pa lang December, willing to do the work ka na. Oo. Siniset mo na yung sarili mo na, okay, ito yung kailangan kong gawin, ito yung mga kailangan kong i-sacrifice, ito yung kailangan kong effort na ibigay, no, para maging worth it yung papasukin mo, lalo na sa career to or trabaho. Yes, tinan mo, may Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Fulfillment. This really makes sense. Second house is about your money, and then there's the sun there. So, iba sa inyo, merong fame, no? Ano ba yung fame? Parang, pagiging sikat. Ayan. You will be recognized by a lot of people. Dahil sa galing mo, sa talents mo, sa skills mo. And this is going to change your finances. So, pwedeng, magbigay sa'yo ng bagong source of income, magkakaroon ka ng bagong, meron ka madidiscover about yourself, like talents and skills. Like, for example, medyo mahiyaan ka, pero sinubukan mong mag-create ng content sa TikTok, and then eventually, nag-viral yung video mo, yung mga ganun. So, that will open up opportunities for you, for growth, and for money. So, speaking of money, tinan natin yung energies ng inyong kaperahan. Volunteer. Meron ka mga tutulungan din. Oo, pwedeng sasama ka sa mga outreach program, charitable work. Yan. Be careful lang daw in making decisions pagdating sa iyong finances. Ito yung tipong mga biglaang gastos. Oo, medyo iwasan nyo ang biglaang gastos. Kasi, pwede kasi yun, pagsisihan ninyo. Yung tipong hindi nyo naman pala kailangan, spur of the moment, diba? Nadala ka lang doon sa udyok ng kung sino. Pero hindi mo naman pala kailangan. So, yung iba sa inyo, you're going to find success. When it comes to amusement, entertainment, ganyan, content creation. Sa love naman, may engagement yung iba sa inyo. Oh, friendship. I think, yung iba pwedeng yung mga kaibigan nyo, no? Pwedeng merong ma-develop na romantic connection among friends. So, pwedeng ikaw to, or yung someone na malapit sa'yo. Lalo na kung matagal na kayong magkaibigan, so pwedeng ito yung marirealize nyo na you are for each other pala ng BFF mo since high school. Your commitment is being tested. Yes. So, Gemini, tinetest kung gaano ka ka-willing, no? Kung gaano mo kagusto yung mga goals mo na matupad, no? Kasi importante kapag meron kang goals, ano yung commitment mo doon, no? How committed you are, how consistent you are. Confidence is your key to success. Yes. So some of you are going to be even more confident in carrying yourself, no? Na mas alam mo kung saan ka magaling, i-highlight mo yon, yung galing mo na yan. Work through your fears, yes. So, this is facing your fears and living your dreams. Diba? So, let's get some astro dice for you. Parang mas maglalakas loob ka. You're going to dare to do different things. Okay, second house na naman, your money, your finances, you have Sagittarius, you have Mars in Libra. Okay, when it comes to your finances, I think magiging maingat ka sa paggastos, no? You have Mars here kasi Mars is about action, spur of the moment. But with Libra here, ibabalance mo muna eh. Titingnan mo muna, kailangan mo ba tong bagay na to? Kung hindi, hindi ka gagastos. Or ito ba makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng finances mo? Kung hindi, hindi mo gagawin. Kung oo, ipupurso mo. Ganon. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Gemini. See you again.